Hi there. We went to, my husband and I went to 2 estate sales today. We didn't spend much. I spent a whole whopping $2.25 for this doll. She was marked $3, but she was 25%. It was 25% off today, so I got her for $2.25. She was on the floor in the playroom. And I was just going to walk right by her thinking she was a Barbie, and then I took a second look and I said, you know, that's not a Barbie. And the other thing I bought was a floss organizer for $1. Brand new. It hasn't even been used, so I picked this up. I'm not going to use it for floss, but it's a nice little kit for jewelry or laces or little odds and ends. And I even got the needles paid for themselves. I got a set of 6 tapestry needles. I got a spool of white thread. I got a skein of red DMC. And I got a bobbin that I won't be able to use because it's not the right size for my machine. But not bad for $1. I don't know what they usually run, but it's always handy to have these little things for doodads, odds and ends. But anyway, here's the doll. Like I said, when I first saw her, I thought she was a Barbie doll. And then I picked her up and she didn't come with a stand or anything. My guess is she's missing her hat, if she had anything in her hands, and she's missing her shoes. And her hair was just a disaster. I ended up, when I got home, I just put it up in a bun. And the reason I did that is because it was just a big old rat's nest. But maybe that's why it was still sitting on the floor. Nobody even bothered picking it up, thinking it was a Barbie doll. So what caught my eye, her hair was just like this kind of a mess. And she was just laying on the floor, wrapped up in this dress, just like that. And the reason I looked is because her eyes caught my eye. And I thought, well, she's got pretty eyes. You can barely see the center black spot. I don't know if they've discolored. Let me see if I can get closer. I don't know if they've discolored or what the case was. She's got a pair of cute little earrings. Whoever put the earrings in, put this one in. I don't know. I think when you put maybe the doll's ears were already pierced for some reason, and that's why these went in this way. But I would have gone towards the back so that the pearls show. Anyway, here's her. Her wig's coming off. It's getting old and it's getting loose. And on the back of her neck it says copyright M, I think that's a period, YW with a C on it, and it says number 197. So I think that's what it's YW. M period YWC. Copyright, and she's number 197. I don't know anything about these dolls, but let me put her hair back up so I can get it out of the way. The clothing on this is incredible. I would have paid more for just the clothes. But like I said, everybody probably thought it was just a Barbie doll. But here is her dress. Her neck's a little loose, but her dress is satin on the inside. It's got one lace over covering the rose on the front here is coming off, and I tied the bow on here myself. It was hanging loose when I saw it. It's discolored. I don't know if it's just dirt or just, I don't know. I'm going to see if I can wash this dress. But here's the lace overlay. And look at the detail on this skirt. Let me move this out of the way. The underskirt. Isn't that beautiful lace? Can you see it? That's beautiful. This is like a scroll work here. And then she's got the lace there. And let's undress her. You can see what she looks like underneath. She's got pearls down her back. She's got a satin. The satin waistband was just sewed on, and she's got 2 snaps on each side of her cuffs, And she's got the big cuffs with the lace on them. And everything has been serged. And isn't that gorgeous? Look at that work on that. Just amazing. She's 14 inches. I don't know how big Barbies are, but this doll's 14. Barbie's maybe 14, but she doesn't have a Barbie's body. She's got flat feet. And I think these snaps are starting to fall out because she's probably been taken on and off quite a few times. But let's get her undressed. But she's porcelain. She's not porcelain. She's a vinyl doll. She's completely vinyl. So there's her dress. Look at the work on that. Isn't that something? Let's turn it inside out. And there's the dress. It was all serged. Fully finished on the inside, except the sleeves are a little bit off. This could have just been somebody who handmade it, you know, at home. And I don't know where she picked up her doll at, though, but it's very cute. Maybe she's a, I don't know, but gorgeous. Purple. So I'll just hand wash that. And this is what she has on underneath. She's got very cute under, I don't know what you would call this. It's just, I don't know what you call these things. They're not camisels because it's one piece. It's like a underslip. But then she's got this, which is just snapped on. And that is just that waist piece with a couple snaps in there. Finished on this side, turned in here. 2 snaps. And that is just adorable. And then she's got this. Her neck needs to be tightened up. But that's the back of it. They even went so far as to put darts in the back. See, she's got a dart here, a dart here. She's got 2 darts in front, and then the pants are sewed on. And then she's got lace around everything. And this is snapped on too. And I'll show you her body when I get her out of here. But it's all vinyl. And she's flat-footed. She didn't have any shoes on, and she didn't have a hat, and she didn't have anything else. So I'm thinking that, I don't know, but she's put together with elastic, flat-footed. And that's what she looks like. She's a beautiful doll. She's very, it's a very, I don't know, it's just like, maybe it was handmade because she's got a flaw right here in her back. And you can tell that, I don't know if you can see that or not, but she's flawed right here in her back, completely flawed. But she's pretty gorgeous other than that. And I guess I can tighten her up. Pull her, her arms are just together to each other, but it's her legs that are attached to the neck. Because if you pull on her legs, you can get her neck to go straight. But isn't she gorgeous? For $2.25, how could I resist something that pretty? Isn't she something? Just beautiful. So I'll see if I can fix her up a little bit and clean her dress and make her some shoes or something and maybe a hat. She's just gorgeous. Can't beat it for $2.25, can you? But you never know what you're going to find when you least expect it. But she does need to get tightened up. There's no way I could get her eyes out of there because there's no way I can get up in there to change her eyes out. And she does have a little bit of a smudge right here, but I'll just take my pastels and put some red on there, see if I can blend it in so you can even tell that she's been damaged. And I'll fix her wig and get her all cleaned up, put her on display. Isn't she pretty? She's beautiful. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, hopefully I can hold this camera pretty steady. What happened was I just finished washing it, and I think the discoloration on the dress was due to the fact that she used not only white lace, but she used ecru lace. So if you look at the white roses and then look at the sleeves, you could tell it's completely different color lace. So my guess is, since there's no tags on the dress, and I'm just guessing, that this was a homemade outfit. Somebody made this at home and probably sold it at a local fair or whatever, and or made it for a granddaughter or even for herself. But it's just gorgeous. The problem is the doll's 14 inches, and this most of your Barbie dolls are 11.5 to 12. So, but look at the detail work. Isn't that just so beautiful? I mean, that was hours and hours and all that hand sewing. Just beautiful. But anyway, I'm going to let it dry for a while, and if I have to press it, I'll press it a little bit. But I wash it in real mild detergent. But I think it's going to be all right once it dries. But just beautiful. So much work, but quite a prize after it's finished. Okay, so that's it. Talk to you later.